Ever wondered how some men seem to effortlessly attract and captivate women? We've cracked the code on the unconventional tactics high-value men use to make women chase them. Today, we'll reveal 9 weird ways to turn the tables and have women pursuing you. So, get ready to dive into this fascinating world of psychological strategies that will make you irresistible. Watch until the end because that last tactic is the most unexpected and often overlooked. Tactic number 1, mystery. High-value men leave women wanting more by keeping an air of mystery around them. Be enigmatic, don't reveal everything about yourself up front, and watch as women become intrigued and eager to unravel the layers. Make sure you absorb this next tactic. Tactic number 2, social proof. Surround yourself with a diverse group of friends and display an active social life. By doing so, you'll send a signal that you're a high-value man who's in demand, making women naturally gravitate towards you. Tactic number 3, non-neediness. High-value men have their own lives and are not desperate for a relationship. By cultivating a sense of independence and focusing on your own goals, you'll become a desirable catch that women chase after. Most men fail to succeed because they skip this next tactic. Make sure you pay attention. Tactic number 4, playful teasing. Lighthearted banter and playful teasing can create a sense of tension and chemistry. Just remember to keep it lighthearted and never cross the line into being hurtful. Tactic number 5, challenge. High-value men enjoy a challenge. By setting high standards and not settling for just anyone, you'll make women strive to meet your expectations and prove themselves worthy. Keep watching until the end to ensure you are well prepared and get your desired result. Tactic number 6, authenticity. Be true to yourself and embrace your quirks and imperfections. High-value men aren't afraid to be vulnerable, and by doing so, they create deep connections that women can't resist. Tactic number 7, ambition. Have a clear vision and set ambitious goals for yourself. High-value men are driven and passionate about what they do, which naturally attracts women who crave a partner with ambition. The most important tactic is yet to come, so keep watching until the end. Tactic number 8, confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting women. Act self-assured and comfortable in your own skin, and watch as women are drawn to your charismatic aura. Now, for the most important tactic. Tactic number 9, respect. Treat women with genuine respect and kindness. High-value men understand the importance of valuing women as equals, and this attitude will make you stand out from the crowd. These are 9 unconventional tactics high-value men use to make women chase them. Now, it's your turn to put them into action and experience the power of being pursued. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. If you are interested in making passive income online, check the description for more information. Otherwise, click the link to watch the next video.